Hello friends, today we are going to see multiplication by 11. In the last session we have seen that how we can multiply any two-digit number by 11. In this particular session we will see how we can multiply any three-digit number by 11. So let us start. So I request everyone be ready with your paper and pencil. Make very isolated place around you and we have to do all these calculations in a time bound manner. First try to understand the method and after understanding that particular method we have to solve these questions in time bound manner. Now let us take this first example. Before that, I know that when it comes to the multiplication, my dear friend, everyone is in this particular situation. हर एक का पोजीशन यही होता है जब हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तब. ओके, नाउ these methods will help you to get the answers in a very quick succession, my dear friend. So let us start. So if you want to multiply 254 by 11, so 254 is a three-digit number and we want to multiply this number by 11. So what I will do, spread this number in this fashion. So first put 4 as it is, unit place 4 as it is. Then as you go to the left hand side, जैसे आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जाओगे, so what you will get 5 here. Now add immediate neighbor of 5, 4. So that will be the number in place of tens place. Then next when you go to the 2, then add its immediate right neighbor, that is 5. And finally keep this 2 as it is. I hope you people understood this. Now let us have our final answer. Your final answer is 5 plus 4 9 and 2 plus 5, that is 7. So your final answer looks like 254 into 11 is 2794. Understood, my dear friends? So this is super easy method. This is super easy method. When you want to multiply any three-digit number by 11, you can do that multiplication in this fashion. Go to the left and add its immediate right neighbor. Okay, so let us try to understand this with more examples. 623. So I request every one of you, if you understood the first example, try to solve this particular question. अगर थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आया है तो ध्यान दीजिएगा. So what we will do here, first I will write 3 as it is, which is the unit place of your answer. Now go to the left hand side, that is 2, and add immediate right number, that is 3. Then next 6 plus 2 and finally we have to write 6 as it is. Now this is 2 plus 3, that is 5, and 6 plus 2, that is 8. Correct? So your final answer is 623 into 11 is 6853, my dear friends. And I must say that you people are jumping with joy now. Yes, this becomes super easy. No need to recall the table of 11. Okay, let us take one more example. 816 into 11. I request every one of you, keep your paper and pencil ready. Come on, let us do this. Now what I will do here, just keep this 6 as it is. Then next will be 1 plus 6. Then 8 plus 1. And finally we have 8 here. Correct? Now 6 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 1, 9. So your final answer looks like 8, 9, 7, 6. So 816 into 11 is 8976, my dear friends. Let us take one more example to understand this better. Okay, come on. Now you have to do this question. 908 into 11. Yes. So just keep this 8 as it is. So look at this question can be solved in the very minimum time. 0 plus 8, 9 plus 0, and finally we have 9. So your final answer is 9988. So 908 into 11 is 9988. Okay. Okay, great. Super fast. Okay, fantastic. Now I request every one of you to solve these questions mentally. Take your time. You can take 2 minutes, 3 minutes also. Depends on your capacity and capabilities. Okay, pause the video, find the answers. Yes. If you completed your answers, these are the answers. Just check it, my dear friends. These are the answers. 10 answers. Okay. Okay. Just check the answers. And how many correct you got? If you made any mistakes, don't worry, because making mistake is the first step of learning, my dear friends. Yes. But try to learn from that mistake. Where you made a mistake, try to understand that. Okay. So just decide your position. If you got 10 out of 10, then in A plus. If you got 9 correct, then A. 8 correct, then B plus. 7 correct, B. Okay, those who got A plus, A, raise your hands and give me high five. Wow, great. Now the second part of this particular session, 4 digit into 11. Now this is again very similar. 4 digit into 11. Yes, I know that you can able to do this. Very similar position. Just keep this 6 as it is. Then 3 plus 6, 5 plus 3, and next 2 plus 5, and then 2. Yes. So just find these sums. 3 plus 6, 9, 5 plus 3, 8, and 2 plus 5, 7. So your answer looks like 2536 is equal to 27896. So that is your final answer. That is your final answer. In this fashion, if you come across 5 digit number into 11 also, you can multiply the number in the same fashion. So it's yes. Now you are super happy now. Yes. Good. 800, 153. So just write down 3 first. Okay. So this will be 3. So write down 3 first here. Then after that, okay, let me correct this. This is 3. This is 3. Then after that, it will be 5 plus 3, then 1 plus 5, then 8 plus 1, and finally we have 8. Okay, so we can write our answers in this fashion. So your final answer is 8153 is equal to 89,680. 83 should be here. Okay, 83. So this is 3. This is misprinted here. This should be 3. Okay. Now, very good. Now what we can do here, if you want to save time now, so what I will do here, so this is 2 as it is. Now mentally 2 plus 6, that is 8. 1 plus 6, that is 7. 7 plus 1, that is 8. And finally 7 as it is. This will be your answer. This will be your answer. So this is your detailed method. So what I will do, I will write 2 first. Okay, then 6 plus 2, then 1 plus 6, then 7 plus 1, and finally we have 7 here. So your final answer, just add these numbers. So your final answer is 7162 into 11 is 78,782. Yes. Okay. Now it's time to check your performance. So I have given again 10 odd questions for the practice. Practice makes man perfect. Okay. Pause the video, find the answers. Okay, so it is very important to practice. Understanding the method is the first step, and implementing it is second step, and revising it again and again for the perfection is the third step. So these three steps should be followed, otherwise you will miss these particular tricks. Okay, so these are the answers, my dear friend. Just check your answers. अगर कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के बाकी है तो वीडियो पॉज करो एंड कंप्लीट करने के बाद ही आंसर चेक करना है. एंड आफ्टर दैट when you complete this checking, okay, so just pause the video, check your answer and check your position, my dear friend. If you got all 10 correct, then A plus. Then if you got 9 correct, then A. 8 correct, B plus, and 7 correct, B. So those who got A plus and A, raise your hand and give me high five, my dear friends. Yes. Okay, so in this way we have seen that how we can multiply 3 digit number by 11 and 4 digit number by 11. So there is a one challenge for all of you. Take any 5 digit number and multiply it by 11. Take any 6 digit number and multiply it by 11. So let us meet in the next session. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Happy learning.